decided to hold a pageant this year. Being different, innovative, we want to raise some funds towards getting our land and headquarters for the union. We have 7 girls taking part, different schools. It promises to be a very interesting evening. So we have a packed show. We plan to flow it, keep everybody at the edge of their seats, and trust me, teachers do it best. Okay, well, we are here at Carnival Village. We are running through the Fanfare, the introduction number, where the girls would present themselves for the first time in a little number. And heading that is Dwayne Beats. He's the coordinator for that opening number, and he has we also have some supporting dancers from the schools. The theme we were looking at for the fanfare was one of unity. If you realize, we have the World Cup theme song, right? And Waka Waka Africa. We're looking at the different races we have in schools, how they're represented. Now, you know, our culture it's soon multicultural, right? So we just want to bring out that in the opening number. Dwayne Weeks, he's doing a fantastic job with the ladies. They practice every Saturday leading up to the show. You know, the fitness and stuff. I mean, even if they weren't fit before, they fit now. So he's doing a terrific job. He moves and things, you know, even though some of the girls mightn't be dancers, at least you get to, you know, see the best of them, you know, with the moves.